Hickory-Fired Honey Buffalo Wings. First, pat your chicken wings dry, then divide them up or keep them whole. It really makes no difference. Now, mix together your dry ingredients. So cornstarch, salt, garlic powder, chili powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper. Give it a stir and coat your wings evenly with the mixture. Now, lay them all out on a wire rack in a single layer and then put them in the refrigerator for at least 3 to 4 hours to dry out. Next, we're going to fire up the old Traeger. And we're going to use hickory pellets, 400 degrees. Once it comes up to temp, we're going to toss our wings on there. We're going to let them cook for 20 minutes. Then we're going to flip them, cook them another 20 minutes or until they come up to about 190 to 200 degrees. While they're coming up to temp, we're going to make our sauce. So on the stove top in a medium pan, we're going to use some Frank's Red Hot, some mustard, some honey, chili pepper flakes, stir it all together, add in some butter. Well, that's getting all melted together. Pull your wings off, toss them in the sauce, make sure they're evenly coated, throw them back on the Traeger as sloppily as possible, pull them off, let them cool for a few minutes, and these wings are gonna be banging.